Look at this bean. I shouldn't be able to squeeze it like this. It's been slow cooking for hours. Heat and osmosis should have turned this into a pile of mush. The secret is a specific mineral armor that protects the structure while keeping the inside creamy. Today we're building my black gold Southern style barbecue beans. Let's fix it. Any real Southern style beans recipe requires bacon fat. I'm using thick cut applewood smoked. Before you throw your bacon in the pan, you might want to check your pantry, because if your beans came in the wrong container, no amount of technique will save them. I will show you why in just a minute. That bacon fat is rendering nicely. While that's doing its thing, let's prepare some aromatics. A lot of the fat is rendered, and the bacon's starting to develop brown edges. Perfect time to add the onion. When the onion starts to turn clear, go ahead and add the green pepper. While that's sautéing, let's make the black gold barbecue sauce, a sauce that really is worth its name. Start off with a bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce. We use that as a base. Then add some ketchup and mustard. Then we'll add our dry spices. Meanwhile, the onions are starting to caramelize in the bacon fat. This is where the aromatic sweet flavor comes from. Southern style beans are usually a little sweet. Then we'll balance that sweetness out a little bit. Barbecue beans definitely need a smoky flavor. Now for the black gold, Worcestershire sauce and molasses, both of which add complex umami flavors. Yeah, that'll work. When the onions are caramelized, go ahead and add the garlic. We're only going to sauté the garlic for about 30 seconds. Any longer than that and the garlic may burn and ruin the beans. Look at all that delicious fond on the bottom of the pan. We're going to incorporate that in just a minute. We're not just stirring in the sauce, we're deglazing the pan. We're removing all the delicious fond off the bottom of the pan and incorporating that into the flavor. Also, the extra heat helps enhance the umami flavor of the sauce. We want to take our time and scrape all the flavorful bits off the bottom of the pan. Then we'll add the rest of the sauce. Now it's time to talk about the star of the show, the beans. The only bean to use here is white navy beans in a can. Why a can? Well, let me show you. For the beans to be shelf stable, they're treated with a mineral called calcium chloride. The calcium chloride strengthens the cell walls of the beans, which not only helps them survive the can, it also ensures our beans will keep their structure after hours of slow cooking. We need 6 cans total. We're rinsing 3 at a time, and just until there are no more bubbles. The barbecue bean sauce was pretty thick, so we're adding a cup of water to thin it out. We'll turn the heat to low and loosely cover the beans and let them come up to a nice simmer. Ooh, look at that nice low simmer. That's exactly what we want at this stage. That simmer's a little too strong, so I'm going to turn down the temperature just a click. The simmer looks fine here, but as I stir the beans, I notice the liquid level has dropped below the top of the bean level. After a while, that level drops, so I'm adding another half cup of water. The beans are looking great. Notice they're starting to turn a light brown color. That's exactly what they should be doing. After about another hour of slow cooking, we should be good to go. If you've been enjoying this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future fixes. Those beans look fantastic. I'm excited for a taste test. The texture is super creamy. The structure definitely held up for the 3.5 hour cook. You get a little sharp acidity balanced perfectly with the sweetness. There's a little smoky note and also a little bit of savory from the bacon. Perfectly balanced side dish. In fact, this is the perfect side dish for my Memphis style barbecue chicken recipe. But you know what this plate needs? Cornbread. But that's for another video. Both those recipes are linked right here. Thanks for watching.
How about some more beans, Mr. Taggart? I'd say you've had enough.